Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete password on Google Password Manager on your Android phone. So in here, I've already on my Android phone, and if you want to delete the password that's saved on the Google Password Manager, you can go to the settings first on your phone. Then scroll down until you find the Google options. This one, Google Services and Preferences. Tap on that, and in here what you need to do is just find the Google Password Manager. This one's right here. You can tap on Continue, and then here you'll see the password save on Google for certain apps or certain web that you save. So for example, I want to remove the password on this one's right here, this web. You can just click on the web. You can use your pen or fingerprint. Now you can just click on delete and delete again. So as you guys can see, the password now has been deleted. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.